Best loan app or platform is Binance. Binance loans can be used for a variety of purposes and are not limited to only trading. Users can decide to repay the loan at any time. Interest rates are calculated hourly and there are no transaction fees. You can also choose from a wide variety of assets to loan from. Borrow. You just need to select the "I want to borrow" column and input the asset you want. Take note of the minimum and maximum amount you can borrow or use as collateral when borrowing. The cool thing about Binance loans is that you can always decide to stake your collateral while on a loan. This helps you earn interest that could cover for the loan interest. Also, Binance loan terms are very flexible. This allows you to pay at any time with no penalty fees. So, even if you selected a loan term for 7 days, 14 days, or more, you can pay up as soon as you want to. The loaning step is very easy and takes no more than 4 steps to borrow and repay. The loan-to-value ratio (LTV) shows you the level at which your collateral is safe from liquidation. So always keep an eye out for it. Binance usually allows about 65% when borrowing a loan. At higher levels, Binance will notify you to top up your collateral and can liquidate your collateral at about 83% risk ratio, if you do not respond. You can check out these FAQs for more insights. To get started with a loan, you need to log in or register, as an old or new user, respectively. New users can register using any of the listed options, such as your Google account, email or Apple ID. You can log in thereafter, once your registration has been completed successfully. It takes less than 10 minutes to set up though. We have now logged into our account successfully. Here on the crypto loan page, you can familiarize yourself with all the functions available while making sure your collateral is ready. We have funded our fiat and spot account with about 200 BUSD, which is sufficient to show you how easily and fast you can get access to a loan anytime today. You can also fund your Binance account using any of the methods shown in the menu here. Once you are done, navigate to the finance icon in the top menu on your Binance dashboard. This will show you the crypto loans option, or drop-down menu, to access a loan easily. On the crypto loan page, you will see that we currently do not have any ongoing orders. Next, you will need to select the asset you want to borrow. There are a wide varieties of them available. We will be using SAND token for this tutorial. We have some SAND tokens in our spot account to use in paying interests also. The next thing to do is to input the amount of assets you want to borrow. Take note of the range which you can borrow or use as collateral. We will be borrowing 100 SAND tokens for this tutorial. Thereafter, choose your preferred collateral asset. Since we have BUSD in our wallet, we will be choosing it as our collateral. The amount of BUSD needed to allow you borrow up to 100 SAND tokens will be automatically calculated for you to see. This makes the Binance loan platform very transparent and easy to use. You can decide to top up your collateral if it is not enough, or reduce the amount you want to borrow to suit the collateral you have. You can use the collateral filter button to choose between using stakeable assets or to see the list of assets you hold in account already. By selecting an asset that can be staked as collateral, you get the opportunity to earn interest from the staking. This can in turn cover for the minimal interests charged on your loan. Long-term holders of these assets find this very helpful. Short-term or new traders can also buy into this loan collateral strategy if they want to. Choose your loan tenor with ease, between 7 days to 180 days. Also, take note of the interest rate calculated hourly and other informations provided. The LTV will be at 65%. Please note that, the longer the period or loan tenor selected, the higher the interest rate, which is calculated hourly. The interest charged on Binance loans are one of the most cheapest and minimal in the crypto space. This is because Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange and has a huge database. Thus, the need to make it easier for you to enjoy using crypto. Once your parameters have been set, such as the loan value, collateral and loan tenor, you can now click on the Start Borrowing icon to complete your request. A pop-up menu would be shown. This would contain the summary of your loan order, for transparency and easy confirmation. Click on the Confirm icon and you will get a notification that your loan order is successful. This means that the asset you borrowed has now been transferred to your fiat and spot account, while your collateral is now been frozen or held by Binance throughout your loan period.
On the ongoing loan orders page, you can be able to adjust your LTV ratio. You can do this by adding or removing more collateral. The repay function is also available if you wish to repay your loan immediately.
By adding or removing more collateral, you will see the current LTV of your loan. Here, we have 61% LTV ratio, after adding more collateral assets to back our loan. You can add some collateral more if you want to and you will see the LTV reduce even further. You can also decide to remove these additional collateral anytime you want. This will return the LTV back to its original value as shown here. Adjusting your LTV does not attract any fees on Binance, which makes Binance loans very flexible and unique. Your added collateral will be added back to your account, and you can now access it on your fiat and spot account. You will need to refresh your account if your loaned assets are not showing immediately. Then, you can now see the asset which we've borrowed successfully. In this case, we have 100 SAN tokens, which is available at our disposal to use for any purpose we choose, such as withdrawing to our bank account to pay for rent, groceries, or trading on the spot or futures market. Users can also stake these assets if they are confident it'll be more profitable to do so. Also, Binance offers series of promotional activities in which users who do not have a particular asset can decide to get a loan and participate in them. That way, they can earn rewards in the activity token, BUSD, USDT, fan tokens or NFTs as well.
You can transfer the loaned asset, e.g. SAN tokens, to your futures account or spot account to use in trading easily.
On the spot market, for BUSD SAN token trading pairs, you will be able to see your assets available for trading. You can start making profits trading with your loaned asset. On the Binance loan page, you can access series of helpful FAQs too. Binance allows you to repay your loans at any time you desire. Simply click on the repay button, and you can decide to repay your loan with the borrowed asset, which in this case is SAN tokens, or you can decide to repay using your collateral, which is BUSD here. Click to confirm your repayment using the borrowed asset, and your SAN tokens will be automatically deducted from your wallet, while your BUSD collateral will be returned back to your account. Please take note that you would need to pay completely before the loan can be settled. In this case, we need some SAN tokens to cover for the hourly interest charge. Less than an hour is often charged as an hour, which is still very okay and cheap as compared to traditional banks or other financial institutions. Once you are able to complete the payments, your remaining collateral will be sent back to your fiat and spot account. We will be purchasing about 10 SAN tokens for hodling purposes, as well as using a very minimal portion of it to clear the interest remaining. We can buy this from the spot market using BUSD in a market order type for faster completion. Please note that this video is only for educational purposes only. We do not offer financial advice. Trading cryptocurrencies comes with risks, and it is advisable to always make your own research before investing. Once your order is filled, you can now head over to the crypto loan page to complete the repayment. You can also decide to repay the interest using your collateral if you do not want to pass through this process. Click on the repay button once you are on the loan page and input the amount you want to repay. In this case, we will be choosing max, which is a complete repayment. Thereafter, click on confirm and your loan will now be entirely repaid. Full repayment can be done once. You do need to have the required amount in place, which can be in the borrowed asset or with the collateral. In summary, note that Binance loans are the best you can get, and this is because of the flexibility available, early repayment features without penalties, the ability to use the loans as you like and anywhere, the ability to stake your collateral while on a loan, and also there are lots of promotional activities available, where Binance loan users can win BUSD rewards and more. Binance is currently offering users 50% off their interest on loans, which is now way cheaper than what it was before. Do well to take advantage of this and join the Binance family today. There are lots of loan sharks out there. You don't want to get ripped or fall for high interest rates. Feel free to like this video if you find it helpful. If it is not helpful, kindly like and subscribe too, then tell us why, or drop your feedbacks in the comment section and we will get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching. All links will be below this video. Let's keep winning.